American baker in Germany where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a cake for a friend's welcome home party. He has been gone for about 2 years, and his mother asked me to make this cake for her son who is returning from being abroad for a couple of years. And he really loves dragons, so we are making a dragon themed welcome home cake. So let's get started. This is a 9-inch red velvet cake filled and frosted with vanilla Swiss meringue buttercream. I cleaned up the cake board and chilled the cake in the fridge while I made the dragon. I rolled out some red fondant and used this printout of a dragon I googled to trace the design with a modeling tool. Then I passed over the lines again with the same tool and the red fondant. Then I cut the design out with a knife. Then I rolled out some black fondant and placed the dragon on it, cutting around the dragon and placed it on a flat surface. Then I frosted the cake again. I rolled out some white fondant and covered the cake with it. Then I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother and my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. I placed the dragon on top of the cake. It fit almost perfectly. I rolled a strip of red fondant and wrapped it around the side of the cake. I stuck it on with edible glue. Then I modeled a tie for the front of the cake. Then I rolled out some black fondant and cut out the letters for the words Willkommen zurück, which means welcome back. Then I placed them on the side of the cake. Then I mixed some black food coloring with alcohol and painted over the lines of the dragon. Then I used gold edible paint to make some highlights on the dragon. I am really excited about this cake. It's really cool with clean lines. Welcome back, Marcel. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more cakes.